In this illustration, we are given a triangular vase of mass capital M is kept on a spring balance. In the diagram, you can observe this is the spring balance, this is the triangular vase. A small block of mass small m. This is the small block. That means the size of this block is very small in comparison to this capital M. That is the vase. And it can move along the frictionless incline on the vase. In this direction, it can move, and capital M is not moving. It is kept on this weighing balance. What is the reading of the balance while block slide? Ignore recoil of the vase. That means we need to consider this vase is fixed vase. This vase can be fixed by applying the external force or by the friction between the weighing machine and base of the vase. Okay. And here we need to find the reading of the balance, reading of this balance. Reading of this balance should be equal to the normal reaction between capital M and weighing balance. This is the scenario. So let us make this diagram to the next page. And first of all, in the case of the center of mass problem, we need to consider our system. So system selection is very important in the center of mass. So let us select our system, as we are required to find the normal reaction, vertical direction normal reaction between capital and weighing machine. So let us select this small m and capital M together as a system. This is our system. Okay, because we are required to find the normal reaction of the base. This is system, and let us assign our x-axis and y-axis. Okay. Now, in this system, what is happening? Capital M is at rest. That means capital M is not having any acceleration in the horizontal direction as well as in the vertical direction. But small m is sliding along this inclined surface. Okay. And now observe the external forces acting on the system. External forces are the gravity force. In gravity force, we include the weight of this vase and weight of this block, that is small m, capital M plus small m multiplied by g. This one, these are the weight of capital M and small m. And second force, external force, is the normal reaction applied by weighing machine on the vase. The normal reaction will be in the upward direction, and one more force is also acting on this vase, that is the friction imparted by weighing machine on the vase. Say this is Ny and this is Nx. Nx is the friction, or you can say any external force acting on the vase. So these are the two forces acting on the base, and this force is acting at the center of mass of the system. So these are the external forces. Okay. So let us find the acceleration of this small m, because acceleration of capital M, as we discussed, is 0. Then acceleration of small m should be equal to along this inclined surface, and it should be equal to g sine theta. Right. Let us make the horizontal and vertical component. For the horizontal component, this one, we know this angle is equal to theta. So the component, horizontal component, is the component of this acceleration in rightward direction. So this is equal to g sine theta multiplied by cos theta. Now consider the vertical direction. Vertical direction is the vertical downward direction. So this will be equal to g sine theta multiplied by sine theta, that is equal to g sine square theta. This is the vertical component of acceleration of small m. So we got the acceleration of small m and capital M. Okay. So let us write this acceleration in y direction 0, and this acceleration in the y direction equal to minus g sine square theta, because downward direction we are considering negative. Now let us apply Newton's second law for system. In system, we include capital M and small m. So let us apply Newton's second law. We write here because we are observing here the acceleration of this block in the downward direction, acceleration of this in downward direction 0. That means the center of mass will move in the downward direction, we can say. Okay, but we are not having any guarantee about the motion of the center of mass. So let us assume the center of mass is moving in the upward direction. If we consider this center of mass is moving in the upward direction, we can write the equation Ny minus capital M plus small m multiplied by G equal to capital M plus small m multiplied by acceleration of the center of mass in the y direction. Okay, this is ACMY. Now let us calculate the ACMY. ACMY include acceleration of capital M in the y direction plus small m multiplied by acceleration of this block in the y direction divided by total mass. And we have calculated this value equal to 0 and this value equal to minus g sine square theta. So let us substitute these values. Okay, this will be 0. So this is equal to minus mg sine square theta capital M plus small m. As we discussed previously, the acceleration of the system should be in the downward direction. So our assumed equation, that is ny minus capital M plus small m multiplied by g equal to this one, can be finally written as this minus this, or we can change the sign of this. Okay, so we got the acceleration of center of mass. Now let us substitute the value of the acceleration of center of mass in equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now we will substitute this value, right? This is minus mg sine square theta divided by capital M plus small m. So let us solving these equation. We'll have ny equal to capital M plus small m g plus ACMY. Now substituting this value, this finally give capital M plus small m multiplied by g minus mg sine square theta. This is the reading of the weighing machine, you can say, or we can say the reading of the spring balance.
Dear aspirants, Cengage India has launched the new edition of our JEE Advanced Physics books. Please visit www.cengage.co.in to buy a copy. You can also buy the books from Amazon or Flipkart.